is the model of the female reproductive system. So here you can see one of the ovaries, and this is where the ovum will get released, and it'll get released into the abdominal cavity, and then the fallopian or uterine tubes will suck it up. So the end of the fallopian tube are these fingers called fibrium, and then the swollen part here is the infundibulum, and then where it curves right here is the ampulla. Go down, the egg keeps going, and right before the fallopian, fallopian tube hits the uterus, isthmus, and then we enter the uterus right here. Uterus has the myo something muscular and the endometrium, and that's formed by two layers, the basal layer and the functionalis, which gets shed when women undergo menses. So ideally a fertilized egg would get implanted here in the uterus along its walls, and if not, it'll get dumped. And the end of the uterus right here, right at the entrance, this is called the cervix, and then this is the vagina. So when a vagina is very happy, then it will actually, the end of the cervix will flip up this way to make more room and to allow sperm to be closer to the uterus. Okay, so blah blah blah, vagina to the outer environment. So we'll talk about other stuff. This is the urinary bladder. This is the urethra. And as you can see here, the urethral opening and the vaginal opening is separate. I think here you can see this part is actually, it represents the ureter, which comes from the kidney way up here, and it'll dump into the urinary bladder. Okie dokie, so we'll talk about some of the external stuff. Here's the clitoris, the female version of the penis, and this is labia minora, smaller lip, and this is labia majora, the big lip. Actually, here is the mons pubis, the mound.
Or pubic hairs.
Yes. Okay, this is the rectum, and this is the anus. Anal sphincters are here. External anal sphincter, internal anal sphincter, and bladder, uterus, rectum, and ligaments.